Have you ever wondered where pizza, the world's favorite comfort food, originated from? This universally loved dish, with its delicious mix of cheese, sauce, and crust, has been a constant source of joy across borders and cultures. At its core, pizza began as a simple food for the common folk. Over time, it evolved into a culinary art form, creating a delectable masterpiece with each bite. Its journey from Italy's heartlands to the global stage has been marked by its irresistible influence on food lovers everywhere. Every bite of pizza is a cacophony of flavors that delight our taste buds. The dough, tender yet crispy, makes the base for the toppings. The sauce, a mix of ripe tomatoes and herbs, forms the aromatic background. The cheese creates a creamy richness, with toppings adding depth and texture. Pizza comes in countless versions, each reflecting the unique tastes and traditions of its place of origin. From Naples' thin crust pizzas to Chicago's thick deep dish pizzas, each variation is a testament to the creativity of its makers. Pizza makers are more than chefs. They are artists, pioneers, storytellers. They weave a narrative of love, labor, and inspiration into every slice. This narrative is a tribute to pizza's enduring appeal, transforming it from simple food to a global phenomenon. Pizza is more than a comfort food. It's a symbol of unity. It brings people together, transcending language and culture. It's a shared joy, a symbol of moments savored and memories made. So where did it all begin? How did this delicious dish come to rule our taste buds? The answers lie in a rich history, just as tantalizing as the pizza itself. So, join us on this flavorful journey to uncover the history of pizza. To trace the roots of pizza, we have to go way back in history, to the ancient times. Now, visualize the rugged terrain of ancient Greece and Egypt, where laborers, including bakers, shape the rhythm of everyday life. Among the simple food they create is a flatbread, a mixture of flour and water, which forms the cornerstone of their diet. These ancient civilizations discovered that this combination, when baked, was versatile and fit any meal. Imagine the hands of an ancient baker, hardened from years of working dough, drizzling olive oil over a freshly baked flatbread. The oil adds a depth of flavor, further enriched by a sprinkle of local spices. The air fills with the aroma of this simple yet enticing combination. The baked dough, infused with oil and spices, was a flavor sensation. It was the precursor to what we know as pizza today. However, it lacked the cheese and toppings we associate with modern pizza. But these humble origins laid the groundwork for the dish that would eventually captivate global palates. The journey of pizza from this simple bread to the universally loved dish was a long and fascinating one, traversing continents and centuries. Even so, the pizza we know and love was still centuries away. Fast forward to Naples, Italy in the 18th century, the birthplace of modern pizza. The city, bustling with fervor, provided an ideal environment for the evolution of this humble dish. The first pizza wasn't the one we know today. It was a basic sustenance for the working class, typically sold in the lively streets. These fruits from the New World, initially met with suspicion, were embraced by the Neapolitans. These tomatoes were transformed into a pulpy mixture and spread over the soft, yeasty bread, resulting in an irresistible combination. This marked the emergence of the pizza we relish nowadays. Next, the renowned Margherita pizza, a symbol of Italy. Allegedly, during Queen Margherita's visit to Naples in the late 19th century, this pizza got its name. Raffaele Esposito, a local pizza maker, created a pizza echoing the Italian flag: the red of tomatoes, the white of mozzarella, and the green of basil. The Margherita pizza has since become emblematic of Italian heritage and universally popular. The modest pizza then embarked on its journey from Naples' vibrant streets, extending its reach across continents, winning hearts globally. From the streets of Naples, pizza began its journey to conquer the world. As Italians emigrated around the world, they took their beloved pizza with them. This dish ventured far from its Italian roots, reaching the bustling cities of the United States around the 20th century. Its allure could not be contained within American borders alone. It wafted across oceans, reaching countries like Brazil, Japan, Australia, and Nigeria. With each new home, pizza adopted new tastes and forms. It became a canvas for local culinary traditions, transforming its essence to reflect the tastes and preferences of its new environment. In the diverse kitchens of India, pizza welcomed the addition of tandoori spiced chicken and paneer. In Japan, a country known for its unique culinary blend of tradition and innovation, pizza might be adorned with squid and mayo. The adaptability of pizza allowed it to seamlessly integrate into various cultures. This humble dish, originating from Italy, evolved and mirrored the traditions of its new homes. Each version of pizza was a nod to its locality, showcasing the diversity and richness of global gastronomy. In its many forms, pizza became a symbol of unity in diversity. This formerly simple Italian dish had turned into a myriad of delicious variations, each echoing the tastes and traditions of its new locale. Pizza had truly become a global phenomenon. Today, pizza is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of unity, a beacon of comfort, and a trigger of bliss, transcending the notion of being mere sustenance. Reflecting culinary adaptability, pizza has transformed across time, capturing diverse flavors and traditions worldwide. From gourmet pizzas embellished with luxe gracing the opulent tables of famed eateries, to the homey fast food pizza, simply decorated yet brimming with flavor, becoming a staple of family gatherings and student life. Each mouthful of pizza symbolizes a blending of cultures, uniting individuals under a mutual affection for this delightful dish. Regardless of where you live, the tantalizing aroma of pizza baking draws people together, fostering shared experiences and creating fond memories. Pizza's allure lies in its role as a cultural touchstone, a global sign of our communal love for uncomplicated yet pleasing tastes. This favorite dish has journeyed from simple ancient flatbreads to a worldwide favorite, captivating millions. Its evolution mirrors our changing tastes, demonstrating how a food item can link diverse cultures. It's a compelling tale of a modest dish gaining iconic standing, breaking boundaries one slice at a time. And that, my friends, is the remarkable journey of pizza from ancient flatbreads to a global culinary sensation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Materia for more flavorful journeys into the world of food.